Welcome to Sea Lake Journeys. Today we're going to talk about the Premier Photo Package. The Premier Photo Package comes with the Premier extras add-ons that you can get when you book your Princess cruise. There is a lesser plan called the Plus plan, which right now is at $65 a day. But for $100 a day you get the Premier plan, which includes all of the photographs that you choose to get while you're on your cruise. As you'll see from our slideshow here, you can get formal pictures taken in color or in black and white. You can get pictures taken at your special dining events. You can get pictures taken at the port, pictures at embarkation, and pictures from around the ship anytime they have photographers out. If you'd like getting the photos or think you might want a few, consider the Premier plan where you can get all of them. You don't have to look through them and try to pick out which ones you like. There's so many different backgrounds on the ship for you to choose from too. At the end of your cruise, you go back by the photo place and they will give you a thumbnail drive that you can take home and plug into your computer and have all the pictures along with the rights to those pictures. They also give you the rights to print any of the photos or all of the photos. You will also be able to pick out any two of the photos and have them printed on board the ship at no extra cost. Also at the photo desk you'll find that there are many different ways that you can put your photos up. You can go get you one of those photo albums that you like. You can have them printed in black and white or in color of various sizes. There are so many options for you to choose from. The photos make great souvenirs and excellent ways to look back and remember your cruise in the future. As you see, some of these photos actually have the dates and the ship you were on. We think the photo package is just a great plus to have, especially if you're going on an anniversary cruise or a birthday or a group cruise, because any photo that you have taken that has your face in it will be added to your portfolio. So you can have your picture taken by yourself, with your spouse or significant other, with your family, or with a group of friends. As long as your face is in that photo, it will be put over into your portfolio and you'll be able to get that photo. The photos you see of us, some of them are the staged photos which they have already set up how they want you to pose, but some of them we said, hey, we would like to pose like this. And they said, go ahead. And so we did. So we had some fun with the photo package as well, picking out some different poses that we wanted to do, along with the standard ones that they had. We have seen families come down at Christmas time and have their picture taken in their pajamas with Santa Claus. Sometimes on the ship they'll have special characters. Might be a towel animal, might be Santa Claus, might be an Easter bunny. You just don't know what you're going to see around the ship where they'll have a photo opportunity. We think the photographs are kind of fun to do. And you can take your formal dress-up ones, you can take your informal ones, and everything in between. Well, we hope you had a good a time checking these pictures out as we did making them. Thanks for watching. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.